Hi y'all, this is Melanie. Welcome. Today I am showing you this scrambled eggs, Asian scrambled egg. This is super easy and super simple to make. I've done this so many times. This is one of my childhood grow up, food. And let's get to it. Okay, so here I have about 8 eggs. Just regular medium eggs, that's fine, and a pinch of salt, and about a quarter teaspoon of sugar, and a half a teaspoon of chicken powder, and a half a teaspoon of fish sauce. Don't put too much, just a couple of dashes. I have 8 eggs here, so beat it up very well. I love beating this egg up with the chopsticks. Growing up, it was always fun to do this, so give it a try. And then just set that aside. A couple of cloves of garlic. This is probably a lot of garlic for you, but I love garlic, so just mince them up, coarsely minced. That's probably about a tablespoon. You can use just one, that's fine. I'm going with high heat again. In here, we'll probably use about a couple of tablespoons of oil. I'm always using canola oil for this high heat frying. And in my garlic, just want to sweat that up and just make the aromas release, and it just smells so good in here. By itself, I gotta tell you, it smells really good already. My daughter is upstairs in her room. She will come down because of that. Don't do it too long. You don't want to burn it. So it's like maybe 10 seconds. And dump in your egg solution. I like to use a spatula, kind of like scrape every single bit of it. And every maybe like 5 seconds, you just gently pull one side and then give it like, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Kind of like pull up to the other side. And I have a lot of egg here, so it's gonna take me maybe like a few times to do this. But you do 1 egg, maybe it take you like maybe, 2 to 3 times. At this point, you can add more oil if you want. My frying pan, it doesn't stick, it's still new, still good. I like this one a lot, so I didn't put any extra. And that's the motion. Just count 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 1,000, and then that's it. At the end, that's about all I have. I can't pull over and then it runs anymore, so I turn off the heat. This is pretty heavy bottom skillet, so I let the egg just kind of sit on there and continue with the heat from the egg. Continue to cook the rest of the egg. See, there's a little bit too much wet right there, so kind of pull it down. And don't leave it on there for too long. The egg will dry out. And that is it. You can garnish with chopped cilantro, chopped green onion, a little bit of black pepper. And that is how moist that is. How soft and moist. And it smells so good with that garlic combination. I pair this with white rice. That is it, guys. I love this egg. It's just so simple and easy. Children love it, and we eat this a lot. But I hope you enjoy this recipe. This little dash of fish sauce will make it taste so good, and I don't know. I love it. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Click that thumbs up to let me know, and subscribe for future Vietnamese, Asian home cook, gardening, and more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.